Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Picsart. If your Picsart application is running slow or taking up too much space on your device, clearing the app cache can help. First of all, launch open Picsart application on your device and log in if necessary. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. After you do that, from your profile section, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you will see Clear Web Cache button. Tap on that. In the pop-up, click OK, and then you'll be able to clear out Picsart cache from the app. Now you can close and reopen Picsart, and your app should now run smoother and free up some device storage. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.